Hi guys, this is Mary. Today I'm going to show you how you can make lots of quick and easy cards with what's in this box. I'm so glad you decided to join me today, guys. If you're not already a subscriber, I hope you'll take just a minute and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring that little bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Now, my good friend Linda, who's a close to my heart consultant, sent me this card subscription box, and I am so excited to look inside. This is called Craft with Heart from Close to My Heart. As I said, it's a subscription box. You can also get one for scrapbooking, but this one happens to be to make cards. So let's see what's inside. Now this is called Cut Above Card Kit, and this has got pictures of all the cards that we can make with what's in here. We're going to open this up, and here are all the directions. Looks like, yep, we're going to get a stamp set and everything we need to make all of these cards. Now I'm going to give you a direct link to this, guys, so you can go over, check it out, and get your subscription started. Whether you make cards or do scrapbooking, this will be so much fun, quick and easy. Snap and you're done. We've got a little note here from the founder of Close to My Heart, Jeanette Linton, and this is so pretty. You could make a card out of this, couldn't you, guys? Now let's see what we've got. Okay, this is shaker window foam and acetate. This is going to make it super easy to do some shaker window cards. We'll get some silver star confetti that we can put inside of our shaker. We've got a little black stamp pad as well as a stamp block. Here is our stamp set. And it comes with this nice foam mat that we can use when we're stamping, so we'll get a really, really crisp impression from our stamps. We'll take a quick look at our stamp set. Just saying hello to the best mother, happy anniversary, thanks so much. Thankful for a friend like you. You're the best. I'm so glad we're a thing. I like that. You are made of wonderful. Thinking of you. You shouldn't have, but I'm glad you did. You take the cake. You're so sweet. Thank you doesn't begin to cover it. Happy birthday to you. You are loved. I am here for you always. Happy Valentine's Day. And I am beyond grateful for you. So you can see you can use this for birthdays, thinking of you, thank you, and Mother's Day, as well as for cards of encouragement, which we all need right now, don't we, guys? Then we get a pack of envelopes in different colors and different sizes. And here is the pack of goodies that we can use to put all of our cards together. Now I'm going to get this open. I'm going to grab the instruction booklet, and we're going to start making some cards. Okay, I opened the pack of goodies, and here are all the card bases that we're going to use to make our cards. And we've got enough here to make 2 of each card, which I believe will make 24 cards. And you can see the card bases already have your patterns on them and everything. So this is going to look great. Then we've got all these sheets of embellishments, so we can give our cards a 3D look by punching these out and adding them to the front of our cards. And we've even got things to use to stamp our sentiments. So I've got my instruction book, my card bases, my embellishments. I've got my stamp pad, my stamp block, my stamps, and I'm going to use some art glitter glue, and I am going to use my bone folder to fold my cards. Let's get started, guys. Okay guys, here are the 4 cards that I've made so far. But now we're going to take the instructions and make this shaker card, card number 2. Here are just 5 of the cards that you can make with this kit, and I've got enough supplies in this kit to make 24 cards. That's 2 each of 12 cards. And you get this great instruction booklet so you know exactly how to put them together. You get your stamps, your stamp pads, your stamp block. You get your confetti. You get your little shaker kit. Everything you need except some glue, guys. That's all you need is some glue. And you can sit down and make tons of cards and have 24 more cards in your stash in just a little while. So much fun. I really enjoyed doing these. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Now I'm going to give you a direct link to Linda's Close to My Heart site where you can go check this out and get your subscription in, guys. And then you'll be getting these card kits. I think it's every 4 months. And you can be looking forward to that and knowing how much fun you're going to have making these great cards. So thank you all so much for coming by today. I hope you've enjoyed this. And I hope you're staying well, staying safe. And just remember, God's got this, guys. So don't be anxious. Don't be worried. He's got it. We'll make it through, and we'll come out on the other side, I think, even closer, because now we're realizing how much we all mean to each other when we can't get together with our families and friends. It just makes you appreciate each other that much more. So God bless you all, and I will see you again soon with another card. Bye now.